can get turned around, but don't panic. I could usually, I have enough survival skills. I could survive most areas for the night if I had to.
Yeah.
And then when the sun comes up, then I know which way is east.
Sure.
How's it gone out there?
Huh?
How's it gone?
Good, yourself? Find some nice ones?
No, we just...
I mean, not as nice as Mike. Mike found some really nice ones.
No.
Got his pockets still going too. Yeah, this is the pocket he got into. You can see how the size of this one is.
Can I name this pocket?
Huh?
Can I name the pocket?
Yeah, he might have to name this one. The Barite pillar pocket.
I usually don't name pockets, but I might on this
Oh
one.
yeah, look at that. There's still some big pieces in there.
Yeah, there's still some terminated ones down there on Matrix, so hopefully I can get out.
Yeah, because some of your other nice pockets came from right around in here, didn't they, Mike?
Yeah, most of my nicest stuff came from right in this area.
The other nice one came from the hillside down there, and then I remember you hitting a pretty decent pocket when Suzanne first came. Did your wife go up to have lunch or something?
Yeah, she went to go. We have 2 beers in the car.
Oh, okay. I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, it's always fun. Even though I'm not finding anything.
Cool. We're finding some small pockets over there. Definitely nothing like what Michael found, but that's a little less common to find something like what he just found.
Yeah.
I still never found anything near that. I've been out here probably maybe even more than he has by this point. Yeah, no.
Wow. That's nice.